In this tutorial I will show you how to create multiple buttons with different text. Don't forget to apply object transform, so your bevel modifiers and UV scaling would work correctly. As you are happy with the shape of your button, add array modifier. Make sure that the scale of your button is correct before applying bevel and array modifiers. Once you apply your array modifiers, you can begin UV editing and adding text. Create an image containing all the text that you want to add to your buttons. Scaling and positioning of the text does not matter. Add a material to your button. Use the same materials for all your buttons. Use created image to see what the hell you're doing. Go to UV editing tab, press 7 on numpad to go to the top view, open created image, select everything in edit mode, press U, project from view. Switch to viewport shading and place your UVs to whatever the hell you want them to go. You can scale the UVs to make text appear larger or smaller depending on whatever you want. Do the same for the buttons of other shapes. Don't forget to apply your array modifier. As you are done with the placing of your text, you can now switch to shading and work on your materials. You can leave it as it is, but generally you are better to use different shaded for text, for example, using the same texture. Because it's purely black and white, we can switch it to non-color data, add another shader for the text, add a mix shader, and use the text image for the alpha. Now we have text with one material and button with another.